let there be steel. And hi, it's Pekka from Logbullet and welcome to my workshop. I did just get from my supplier batch of steel components, so this is how I get those. And what I'm doing at the moment, I'm dividing those to different pallets. So over here I have for the Megamax, later a little more news about Megamax. For the Megamax components, rear frame, then these items are over here. That these go, I first weld those and then those go to my subcontractor. So, for example, this is side plate for the support leg. So I will weld this kind of item over here, and then it goes over there, and they will drill the hole to correct size, and then I will have happy customers. So I will place all the components that will go to that subcontractor. I will place to this pallet, rear frame, these components over here. Then this pallet over here is for the Megamax bogies, and this is for the support legs. So that is how I work. I always divide components correct pallet. Then when I'm welding something, I just take my forklift, take the pallet, go to my welding location and weld. I don't have to look around for the components from the different locations. That is how I like to do. So I get components, they look like this. And this is for the Megamax, this is the cover for the, so over here you can see then the drive motor. And to make good quality fast, you have to make things smart. So I have been spending huge hours in the design table making components, and this is for example. Yeah, it fits nicely. So this component over here, there is these little holes, and then I have over here this notch. So I can just place the component over here. It's always in the same spot. So every Megamax will have in the same spot this part. I don't have to measure, I don't have to do anything special. And then I have also over here, at the moment, I have been welding one original Logbullet. So this is I have been last days spending over here in my welding spot. And it's also pretty cold over here. It's nice to be welding because we have at the moment, I think -16 or -20 degrees Celsius. So for the American standard, also that is cold. So we are freezing. I'm like, you can see that, you might see, I don't know, can you see, but anyway there is like smoke coming from my mouth. So it's that cold in my workshop. Yeah. What I did also get, I will next weld pumpers. So it looks like this from the other end, and then when let's take this over here. Now it looks like pumper. So one plate, it looks strange before, bending, but now it looks normal. I'm so proud of that component. I did spend hours and hours again designing that, and now it's nice. Yeah. Yeah, but what I'm doing at the moment, next I will divide these components to different pallets, and then I will, most likely you have already seen that fast video before, but I will talk more soon. Stay tuned. In Finland, people love to say that if you are like doing something with the snow or making firewood or doing this kind of work, then people are saying that you don't have to go to the gym, so lifting weights. I was yesterday in the gym. I have to go over there because otherwise I will destroy my back. And there is one of my customers did call me, and I was looking at, hey, I will take this phone. And like I was discussing with him, and he was like, "Hey, you are in the gym. Hey, come to work to me. You don't have to go to gym." But unfortunately, I have to go to gym that I can do my work, because I have to lift huge amount of the steel and do that kind of work. So if my body is not in the good shape, it's not in the perfect, I'm not like any fitness pro. But anyway, like I'm doing deadlifts in the gym and that kind of stuff to get my body so strong that I can do this kind of work, because otherwise I would hurt my back, and then I would have to be 3 weeks in my home, and that would be awful for my company. So that's why I'm doing that kind of stuff. But for the Megamax, so you might notice that I have now Megamax components over here. So yes, Megamax is going forward, and my plan, so these are first deals, most likely, yeah, for the Megamax. I have to design something more, but those are already not in the so bad shape. I was happy last summer when I was driving with previous Megamax. I was happy. It was good machine. I was so happy last summer. And of course, the next one should be even better. And yeah, at the moment, my plan is that if everything goes perfect, I should be assembling next Megamax in April. So April 2024. That is what I'm aiming at the moment. So I have already ordered stuff. Unfortunately, I have too much already in my warehouse, those components, and I have to order more stuff and create Megamax, and I will now continue welding. So thanks, and please give thumb up. YouTube loves when you give thumb up, and it makes me also happy. And see you in the next video. That is the most important thing. Bye.